This is the XDEEP Zen, and that is XDEEP's modern twist on a classic design harness backplate. I've been diving it for the past 6 months, and here's what I think. Hi, my name is Maxime Cheminade and I am a professional underwater photographer. I specialize in deep technical diving photography, and today I'm going to explain to you what I think of the XDEEP Zen, what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it, and what I wish was better. First, let's start by a quick disclaimer. XDEEP did give me this wing for free for this review, for this test. They also put some embodiment here. XDEEP doesn't get to see this video before it's posted. It's a fully independent review, but I kind of very like that product. This wing comes in 2 versions, one with an aluminum backplate, this is the one I have currently, one with a steel backplate, more suited towards cold water diving, but here, as I'm doing mainly warm water or travel, I really wanted to have a light system, and I have to say it's very, very light. It is extremely light. My wing is currently equipped with the DIR, or the one-piece webbing system, a cargo pocket on the front, and a 2 trim weight system in the back. I do not use any removable weight, as I normally don't need weight, only a bit of trim here and there. The wing itself has 19 kilos of lift, more than enough for any type of diving you might want to do. Most of the buoyancy is going to be fitted towards the bottom of the wing, which is normally where you need the buoyancy. It's very nice, it feels very comfortable. I find that the trim position is a little bit better than the normal classic DIR wings, such as the Zeos or any other brand that has this classic shape. Not by a lot, but it's significant. It's also very comfortable at the surface. I really like the way it pushes you up and down. You've been seeing me using it quite a lot actually on the channel. My last review about the Garmin MK3i. If you look into it, I was already using this wing. Yeah, it's been with me pretty much everywhere as long as I have a single tank back mount. And that's the thing, this is marketed toward recreational diver or rag diver, and I think it's great. If you only want to do one back mount cylinder, maybe a stage in case you need one, I think this is perfect. Especially for photographers, the wing inflating in the back means that it's not in your side. It's not giving you this compressed feeling that you might have with your current wing or your current PCD. The buoyancy being very short in the top means that when we are at the surface, it is very nice, as well as it doesn't pushes you kind of tilting forward. But I've never really had that problem. I have a lot of gear on me, so it's maybe why, as the weight is on my back, I'm always constantly tilted backward. Never really had the issues. But if you have heard, like wings normally push you in the front, in the water, they maintain you, the head in the water. This one especially doesn't give you any of that feeling whatsoever. You can get from XDEEP your name on it or anything you want here, different colors. I really wanted black, so I just got my name in. But yeah, they have very different options depending on what you want and what you need with it. Let's now talk about what I loved. I absolutely loved the backplate. The new design of this backplate is very nice. It's super comfy. It's very nice. It's solid, and it's not gonna move. You can also use your twin sets with it or any other big technical diving gear. You just have to replace the wing, and with this you will have everything like already set up. Mine has some padding here and there. I really like it. Makes it a little bit more comfy. And it also looks very nice. The other thing that I really like about it, the full black, the colors of the backplate is very nice. It looks very stealthy, professional. I love the buoyancy, the trim. The trim I had with it was very good. It feels like you have this giant hand on top of you that is just lifting you everywhere. It's very easy to achieve any neutral buoyancy or any non-natural trim position. I tend to have my trim a little bit higher as I run the camera in the front, and for that I need to get a little bit more banked up. The wing goes with you, there's no problem. Some wing might want to push you and force you down in trim. This one doesn't. It's just if you want to get a little bit more of trim up, you can. It's just gonna maintain you here. If you wanna go and trim down, you can. It's gonna maintain you here. It feels like an extension of yourself. It's very, very nice. There isn't really cons on this wing. It's rugged, it's beautiful, it works exactly as intended, and even better than I hoped it would. But there is a few things that I wish would be a little bit easier. And the one thing is actually the attachment for the wing here. I think this is gonna be a bit harder to replace in case you break something. That is the one thing I wish would be a bit easier to work with. But in order to break this, you will really have to like force on it in a very hard way. And I don't see that going anywhere. So that's, I think, the one thing that I didn't really like about it. A second thing, the original one has a different kind of crotch strap. I use a classic DIR system just because I do dive with GUE. Luckily, you can get an adapter for it, which is tied to here. It works nicely. It works okay, there's no problem with it. The last thing is this piece of protection that you have on the webbing, and exactly this part. Why? I have my long hose and short hose that goes literally here, and every time it just gets caught in that thing. I wish this would be inverted and goes inside. At least it wouldn't be caught all the time with it. I think I will end up removing this padding. Not because I don't need the protection, I don't like it. It's just because it keeps getting caught into it. That's it for today. I really like this wing. I'm gonna continue diving it. I'm very happy with the system. I'm gonna make a few changes, especially here and there. Would I buy it? Yeah, 100%. Would I recommend it? Yes, 100%. This is amazing. It's again one of those XDEEP products that is great. They know exactly where to do any buoyancy system. They know how to do it. They know how to make it. It's good. It feels great. It's sturdy, and this is going to be very resistant. I don't see myself changing it anytime soon, especially that it has my name on it. So it's really nice to have it. And yeah, just go and get it. If you want, look into the description below. We'll put the link on the official website. This is not affiliated. I do not earn any money from it. If you want to see the different version and comparison, and as usual, please just comment down below if you have any questions about the wing or whatever system I run and why and how. I'm very happy to answer that. And I also very think that this video is going to interest you a lot. So you should click on that. It's very nice.